you. Welcome to today's discussion. Erica spilled the tea in her most recent video. She answered many of the viewers' questions. If you haven't watched it, go here to see the whole video for yourself. I have some comments about what Erica said about marriage, relationships, and lifestyle. Stick around until the end to hear the full story. Let's just review the story before we get into the discussion. We first met Erica on Ziheng's channel. Ziheng told viewers he was a blogger and wanted to speak English better. He said he made an appointment with a lady. They were going to meet at a coffee shop. If you want to view that introductory video, it is titled, I Date a Young Lady Unexpectedly. She is a starlet. Misunderstanding. I am here for a blind date. When Ziheng announced he and Erica were getting married, viewers' responses were mixed. Some claimed Erica just wanted Ziheng's money. Others claimed Ziheng was using Erica to increase traffic to his channel. Most viewers waited for Ziheng or Erica to make a video telling the viewers more about the wedding, but that video never came. Instead, Ziheng announced he and Erica were breaking up. What was Erica's response to the breakup? She was silent until she said this in her question and answer session.
Okay guys, let me be open today. Me and him first met on we first meet on he asked for my number, we start talking, and remind you guys, we start dating before I ever appeared on the camera. Yeah. Okay. This one is asking,
and the truth is, Amy and I have a civil marriage in China. Something most people don't know about. And yeah, we got married in China, and for now, we are not officially divorced yet, but I'm currently away from him. So yeah, as we got married in China, and he's the one in charge.
Yes, so you heard it from Erica. She and Ziheng began dating before she ever appeared on camera, before the introductory video of them meeting at the coffee shop. Also, they were married in China, and although separated, they are not officially divorced. I want to take this moment to warn you to be discerning about YouTube content. Some content creators are very talented, like Daryl Vega.
I don't need any discount on Black Friday. What are we buying? How many air fryer can one person buy? They say flat screen TV is 70% off. How many flat?
Well, maybe you want to upgrade a TV.
I don't need any upgrade. The TV, flat screen TV that I bought since 2015 is still.
He acts so naturally. It is difficult to distinguish reality from pretend. I would not say these talented creators set out to deceive their viewers. The Mavens are also very convincing in their acting. On that same thought, let me say, Satan deliberately sets out to deceive in real life. If we are not careful, We could be deceived by Satan into thinking his content is real, but it is a lie. If you want to hear more about these deceptions, leave a comment below. Let me just say again, to be clear, some content on YouTube is created just for views and to entertain. Don't react emotionally to everything you see on YouTube. Don't spread misinformation. Don't make accusations without evidence or facts. Let YouTube be a safe place for content creators. And please, don't misunderstand me. I am not calling any of the content creators Satan. I was using examples of talented people to show how realistic they can make their videos. One last point. I read a comment that claimed Ziheng never loved Erica because he did not display public affection. There are some cultures and families that do not display public affection, yet they still love each other. Remember, Erica is Tanzanian. We cannot view her relationship through Western eyes. Listen to what this Tanzanian woman said about public display of affection.
Husband is from
Serbia. One thing to know about me, yeah, I come from a family of Tanzanians. We're African, right? And let me tell you, when it comes to PDA, we don't play. Quite literally, I think growing up, I've only seen my parents kiss or hug 0 times. 0 times. Matter of fact, make it -5. I have never seen my parents be intimate in any way, shape, or form.